Welcome to this module on privacy and the historical overview of how this came about in the United States. First, we go and see the goals we are trying to achieve with this lecture, namely to understand the legal fundamentals that play a huge role in US privacy protection. First, what is the right to privacy? The right is to be let alone. Of course, you cannot be left alone totally, so there is a public interest by police or other governmental agencies that want to be able to, under reasonable reasons, to search you. Important to note is that the right to privacy is not mentioned separately in the American Constitution, but the Supreme Court has interpreted several of the amendments creating the right to privacy. The most important one is the Fourth Amendment, also known as search and seizure, namely that the police and other government agencies are allowed under certain circumstances and when they have a probable cause to search a person or the property. The other amendment which plays a huge role is the 14th Amendment, where the due process is being regulated. This clause, this due process clause, is important for being able to be judged under reasonable conditions and to be held responsible under reasonable conditions in due process so that the balanced rights will be there. Then there's a number of amendments that protect freedom to make your own decisions about your family and your body. Important as a leading principle for this MOOC, but also for this module and the lectures, is the idea Benjamin Franklin put forward, namely that being free to be able to create safety, it is important to understand that when you use your freedom to create safety, that you will end up with neither liberty nor safety. Then there is the question, when and where do we have privacy? Do we have privacy in a car? Do we have privacy when we are in a phone booth? Do we have privacy when we are treated by a doctor? Do we have privacy when we are surfing the internet? Do we have the right to privacy when we are sending emails? That's the questions that we are going to try to answer for you. The next lecture will be on the Bill of Rights and notably some more details on the Fourth Amendment. Thank you for your attention.